Here's a rare one for you, everybody. Carter at Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota, and AutoramaAuto.com. This is a 2006 Cadillac STS-V. Yep, that's right. This one got the V treatment right from factory. One of 2,503 made over its 4-year production run. We're selling it for a local owner. We sold it to him. It has 82,000 miles on it. We just had it independently inspected. Everything looked good there. These cars are supercharged. I believe the cat has been removed on this car to make it extra fast and extra loud. It's total sleeper car. Looks like a regular STS, but it has gotten the V treatment. Seen at Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota, or AutoramaAuto.com. Just listen to that Cadillac.